Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. So here we got our architectural model. We're going to get into the MEP now, the electrical for this project we've been working on. I earlier linked this in from the architectural model, so we understand how that works. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go briefly review this. So we want to select, say, these three receptacles. We're going to hit the power button here. And then I want to select our panel LP2, and I want to hit arc wire. So there's our home run to that LP2. So I'm going to go and just select these others here. Basically the same thing. Hit power and arc again. So here I might grab a few more just to get through this. So I'm going to go here, say here, and that GFCI in there. Okay. Hit the power button, and we want to get wire again. So let's finish this floor. Go here, here. Okay, cancel out of that briefly. I'm going to select that one, and that one, and that one. Maybe pick these two GFCIs in this circuit and hit power, and then hit the arc wire. So that's kind of what we got going here. We might as well do these over here as well. Let's see here. Select this one. These four in this room. Hit power. Uh-oh, I opened the family. Didn't mean to do that, sorry. No, I don't. Try that again. So again, if guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And any comments or questions, please feel free. LP2 again. There's their home runs. Same with here. I'm just going to put all these in here so we can finish it. They should go on one circuit, probably. And, no, I won't. I'll just go with these 5 here from room to room. And do an arc again. That's my home run. So you get the idea how that's done. And we're going to move on now. So this is our level 1 power plant for our building here. So I'm going to go and add these two just for the heck of it. Okay. Okay. Whoop. Sorry. That one. And then, okay, where's my button? That little button goes and comes. See that? Okay, that's probably because it's overloaded or something. So I'm going to just take these two, and this one, and this one, and see if I can go in here. I don't know why that's doing that. Anybody know, let me know, but I'm going to move on from there. So now we're going to go and look at our lighting fixtures, our lighting. So here, I want to take you up to the ceiling plans, the lighting here, level 1. So we got our fixtures in here. Well, now we can do the same thing with the fixtures that we do with the power, but I'm going to go and turn some of this off. Well, I'll leave it on for now, turn it off later. So basically what we do with the light fixtures is pretty much the same. We'll just go and select, let's grab these two here, and then we'll go power, and we got the LPT2 one again. Nope. Yeah, we got that guy. Then we'll do arc. So there's the home run for that one. Let's do these two here. Select these. Now you got a few ways you can do this. So I can grab all 6 of these and go power. And I'm going with arc again. So this is how we would do our lighting. Do these guys in here, same way. Okay. There we go. We get power and arc. So you get the idea how this works. Pretty simple. Might as well do them all. Control this, these two here. Uh-oh, can't pick them up. That one, that one. Power here to that same panel in an arc. So guys, it's straightforward here. There's our panels. We got an LPT2. I guess that's going to be probably for a second level. Let me just grab all these if I can. Yep, do I have them? No, I don't. This one, this one, this one. Go with power and arc. So these lights work the same way out here, but I'm not going to do those right now. Now I'm going to focus on our switch legs, which pretty much the same way as everything else. So what we do now is I'm on my ceiling plan, and what I need to do here is I need to go and open my power level 1 power plan here, and then I want to I think I want to be on my lighting plan here. Well, let's see, I'm trying to figure this one out. This has got me a little confused here. I might have to come back to this one here. That's my lighting. Okay, I think it's that one. Nope, that's not the one I want. Let's go to my ceiling plan, level 1 electrical. I want to put some switches in here. See if I can get them in this view here. So I'm going to go here and go to my systems tab. And on the switch, nope, not that one. Yep, I do. I want that one. I don't want a circuit breaker. I just want a single pole switch here. Switch one here. It's just one in all the rooms. There. And there. You get an idea. All the rooms get one. There. So now I'm going to just do a simple. Okay, so now I got some items in here I don't particularly want to see here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn these off. But for now, let's just grab the lights and do a switch. So switches are pretty much the same. I need one here for the door. These. This room. Got an error message there. Uh-oh, that doesn't work there. That's why. So I probably have to put it right there. Yep. Just delete this one out. And it would move just delete this one out, and I want to place one here, right there. So now to do switches and light fixtures. So basically what's going to happen here is the same thing. I want to cancel out this. So if I select the switch, and it has a power circuit as well, but what I want to do here, I want to select the light fixtures. It's one of these or one or the other. And then I'll do switch, and I'll select this switch. And then, okay, how does this work? Okay, so we're going to see how this works, sir. I don't want to waste too much time on this, but to do a switch, we go in, let's see, how does that work? We grab the light fixtures here. And then we want to go into our switch systems here. Okay. And select the switch. And then let me just escape out of this. But anyway, guys, I think I forgot how to do this one. I want to tab it. Let's see. But anyway, guys, we'll pick up this on the next exercise. Forgot how to do switches. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. This is the VV. I want to get rid of some of these items out of here. But anyway, let me see if I can do this one right quick for you. So these are light fixtures here. Well, these are link fixtures. Okay, they haven't been copied across yet. But anyway, guys, that's how you do the power circuits and the control for our light fixtures. So I'm going to shut this guy down and actually need to do the second level because we've got level 2 lighting here. Nothing's going on up here. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. I want to just run through this briefly with you, the power and the lighting. It got a little hung up on the switches, but I'll pick that up when I come back in the next assignment. So I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye. Thanks for watching.